welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out some Latina owned, did I say that right? Latina owned hair products. So I actually got this from when I went to a natural hair event, and it's by the brand Rizos Curls. So it says that this includes their hydrating shampoo, their deep conditioner, and their curl defining cream. So basically what I want to do is see if these products are able to work on my hair. I do have like type 4 hair. It's more kinkier, so I want to see if these products can actually work on my hair. I mean, I got the samples for it. It was free. Might as well, and then I can go ahead and just share it with you guys. What I do like is that it's no sulfate, silicones, or parabens in these products. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to try them out. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post. Let's get into it. So the first product is going to be their hydrating shampoo, and this has shea butter and moringa oil in it. That's their key ingredients that it states, and it says like that's hydrating. And yeah, let me go ahead, wet my hair, and we're gonna get into the shampooing part. All right, y'all, so I just wet my whole head, and we're gonna go in with this. It has a nice little light scent to it. Very creamy, so it feels moisturizing. Oh, got a little lather to it. Okay, automatically I can feel how hydrating it is. Very moisturizing feeling. Okay, I like that. I'm liking how it feels in my hair. It feels really, really good and hydrating like it says. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and rinse this out of my hair and see how it's feeling. Okay guys, so far the shampoo was able to make my hair feel nice and clean without feeling stripped. So far so good. Next we're going in with their deep conditioner, and this says it has olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil in it. I'm excited about the fact that it has olive oil in it because I used to use olive oil when I did hot oil treatments, so I like that. Since it is a sample size, it doesn't say how long to leave it on, so I'll probably look it up on the website just so I can have like clear instructions. The consistency feels nice. It actually feels really good. Okay, I wonder if this has shea butter in it. It has glycerin. I love glycerin. Oh, and it has shea butter in it. Okay. This feels super moisturizing, and it does have slip, so I am like, as you guys can see, finger detangling a bit with it. Smells so good too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test out detangling with this. I gave myself a slight trim, you guys, and my hair looks so much shorter, but really it's just shrinkage. Like my shrinkage is popping. Oh yeah, this has slip. Okay, so this passed my test. It has enough slip to detangle my hair, and it feels so good in my hair too. Okay, my battery had cut off because my camera had cut off because I ran out of space on my card. But right now I'm just on the very last section of my hair. Alright y'all, so I need to look up how long I'm supposed to leave this on, and then I'll let you guys know. My hair is really absorbing it really fast, which is crazy. Like this side, it barely feels like I put anything in my hair. Like it absorbed into my hair so much. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Can never get enough moisture. Plus, I'm probably only going to get one use out of this stuff, so I might as well try to use the whole bottle. Okay guys, so I just put it up on the website, and it says to leave the deep conditioner in for 5 to 10 minutes to be used as a hair mask. And also it says the olive oil in it cleanses scalp, smooths hair, and improves elasticity. The sunflower oil promotes healthy hair growth, reduces product buildup, and alleviates dry scalp. The coconut oil reduces frizz, prevents hair breakage, and split ends. So it says the deep conditioner is supposed to strengthen, nourish, and deeply moisturize the hair, promoting healthy hair growth while controlling frizz. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it up to the maximum 10 minutes, and then I will come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like, and we will get into the styling process. So excited to see how this is going to go. Okay guys, so I just rinsed it out of my hair and I left it in for 15 minutes. My hair is feeling pretty moisturized, so I like that, and my curls are looking pretty like shiny and good. So I'm going to give y'all a little close up on my curls. They're looking pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and go in with the curl defining cream now. So far the shampoo was good, the deep conditioner was good, but let's see about this curl defining cream. Now it says it has aloe in it, coconut oil, and shea. I'm looking forward to this, but I am going to be pairing it, of course, with my Wetline Extreme. I feel like it'll be a good combo, but I want to make sure I'm using a little less Wetline Extreme because I feel like it kind of weighs my hair down sometimes and my curls won't look as curly, so I don't want that kind of look. I want my hair to look pretty curly. And then also this line didn't include a leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to use just the curl defining cream. I'm not going to pair it with any other leave-ins that I have because I just want to see how well this product works on its own. So yeah, I'm not going to be using anything else, but my hair is feeling actually really moisturized after that deep conditioner, so I'm glad for that because there's no leave-in. So, and I didn't completely rinse the deep conditioner out. I just like ducked my hair under the water like twice. I like to try to leave in some of my conditioner now because, like I said, my hair was going through this little phase for like a week or two where it was feeling really dry. So now when I'm rinsing stuff out, I try to leave in a little bit of the conditioner, and it's helped my curls a lot with just feeling more moisturized. And you know, I just needed some more moisture, so I've been doing that, not completely rinsing it fully out, and it helps a lot. My shrinkage is really crazy. Like my curls look short, and it's been shrinking up so much, but I mean, you see I still have length. It's just shrinkage is going crazy. Okay, detangle my section first. The curl defining cream doesn't have a smell, surprisingly. So far this feels really moisturizing. My hair feels super good. Okay, nice little moisture. Okay, I'm gonna add my Wetline Extreme on top. Okay, so far it looks like the two are pairing really good together. Like I have pretty good definition. So far so good. Definition looks really good. I'm gonna show y'all. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue this process all over my head and come back to y'all when I am done. Another thing, guys, the cream, the curl defining cream is so lightweight when I apply it to my hair. Like it just melts right into my hair. It's not a thick cream at all. It's very lightweight and it just melts on in there. Y'all, so far this combo got my hair popping. Like my hair is so curly. I don't see any frizz, nothing. Like my hair looks so good so far. Guys, last section, and all I can say is I'm so impressed by these products, but I cannot wait to see how it looks dry. Alright guys, this is crazy, but you guys know we gotta see how it looks once it's fully dry. But that's crazy. That looks really good actually. Alright guys, I'm gonna let my hair dry and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what my hair's looking like, so I'm excited. Okay guys, I'm finally getting back to you guys with an update. Today is day 3 hair and I'm in love. Each day has been amazing. My hair had so much definition and volume. Like, these products really made my curls look amazing. Like, this is day 3 hair and it's still looking so good. So overall, the Rizos Curls hair products actually work for girls with kinky hair. I thought when I saw this line that it was only going to be for Latina girls, because that's what I saw pretty much represented on their Instagram, and also just overall for their products, and even like the backstory of it. It was like a Latina girl and she wanted to find products that worked for her hair, and so she formulated products to work. These are bomb. I honestly need a full size of the curl defining cream. As you can see, day 3 and I still have so much definition. I have so much definition and volume, and my hair does not feel dried out. So this is actually a really bomb product, and I keep forgetting, like, it's curly girl friendly. It doesn't have any sulfates, silicones, or parabens. The deep conditioner was amazing. It made my hair feel good. It had the olive oil, the sunflower oil, coconut oil. I would definitely want like a full size of that. And also the hydrating shampoo was good. The only thing I didn't get to try out was their like detangling spray, I believe it's called. But overall guys, for this to be day 3, like, usually I'm not impressed with day 3 hair. I'm usually over it and I could care less. But it looks really good. Like, my shape looks good and everything. It's round, it's curly, it's barely any frizz. Like, it just looks really good. So overall, I'm pleased. Like, try out these products, you guys. Try them out, because Rizos Curls, y'all can work with me. This is working for me. Like, it looks good. So yeah guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.